Hey everyone, guys, in this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how to create a Western Union account. So, whether you're sending or receiving money, having a account is actually essential for, smooth transactions. So, let's actually get started. So, first things first, what you want to do is you want to download the app or visit their website. So, go to the App Store or Google Play Store and download the Western Union app. Or you can just visit their official website at westernunion.com. And then what you want to do, guys, you want to tap on sign up or register. Okay. So open the app or website and just tap here. Tap on register or just tap on sign up. And then you just want to enter your personal details. For example, you want to fill in your name, email address, phone number, and things like that. They'll ask you for information. You just want to fill that in and make sure that the information actually matches your government issued ID. That is very, very important, guys, to avoid any verification issues later. And after this, what you want to do, guys, is you want to create login credentials. So they'll ask you to, you know, set a secure username and a password. Okay. And some regions may actually ask for additional details like, security question for account recovery. All right. Then, guys, what you want to do is select a verification method and basically you want to choose how you'd like to verify your account, such as through a text message, an email, or just ID verification. And then at the end, guys, what you want to do is you would just want to confirm your account. You just want to, just check your email or phone for a verification link or code and just follow the instructions to complete your registration. Then at the end, guys, what you can do is just log in, okay? Log into your new account once you're verified and just set up your profile by adding payment methods or additional preferences, guys. And you're all set, guys. You now have a Western Union account which is ready for use. And guys, if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, guys, for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next